I saw people with chronic diseases like high blood pressure. I saw people with chronic diseases like high blood pressure resolving their hypertension, getting off the medications. And so we began to carefully evaluate patients with hypertension. In this study, 174 consecutive patients with high blood pressure and 174 people normalized their blood pressure without the need for medication. After we published that paper, we went on and we've published a couple dozen papers now on the use of diet and fasting in the literature, and we've written a book. It's called Can Fasting Save Your Life, which summarizes our work and other people's work on this use of fasting to help the body do what it really does best, and which is heal itself if you get out of the way.
So fasting, the word has become incredibly popular, but there's a variety of different types of fasting. So what is the type of fasting that you spend most of your time doing, working on, administering to patients?
Right. Well, fasting is the complete abstinence of all substances in an environment of complete rest.
So what does that mean?
That means that you're actually resting while you're fasting in order to get therapeutic fasting to be most effective. And the reason is, if you're very active when you're fasting, your body has to produce more glucose in order to carry on the extramuscular and brain activity. And the only way that it does that after glycogen reserves are depleted is through a process called gluconeogenesis, where the body breaks down lean tissue. So when you're fasting, if your goal is to maximize fat loss and minimize lean tissue loss, it's important that resting be a part of the protocol. It's true, if people are more active when they're fasting, they'll lose more weight, but that extra weight won't be fat, it'll be lean tissue.
So what happens to the body when someone fasts? And can you give me like an hour by hour or a play-by-play in terms of what actually is the sort of physiological sequence of events that are beneficial for one's health?